Hi friends, how are you doing? Greetings to all my dear students. Are you ready for this amazing algebra class? Alright. Today we're going to look at the tables, multiplication tables for algebra. That is I named. So we're going to start with x multiplied by x is equal to square x. So x square x multiplied by x, and now I have x raised to the third power, or x cubica anyway, and x cubica multiplied by x is equal to x raised to fourth power, right? So can you tell me, wait a minute, Professor Edward, please can you tell me how is the processing that we are obtaining the exponent of the right side of the equation? Oh yes, of course I can do it. Yes, that is an excellent question, and we will answer completely. So we have x and it is raised to the first power. So in algebra, we don't write the number one, the first power. So we are doing right here by didactic goals, right? We are teaching, and that's the reason we're doing. So we are multiplying the one, adding one, and we have the number 2, right? Or second power. And we are doing the same with the next equations. For example, right here we have square x, and we have the number 1, or the first power, right? And we're adding 2 with 1, and we get the 3, or the third power. And so this is the mechanism, and in this case 3, we're adding with the 1 of this literal of the x, so we are getting the 4. Well, now, but before, all right, so any questions, any doubts, please write in the comments below this video. I promise I will share so fast as I can your questions, right? Okay, let's continue with our class, and we'll stay in the x4. I like this. So we're going to erase a little bit all of these numbers. That's because I like this color. The contrast is very, very, very good. So that's the way I am erasing all the blackboard, right? So okay, we're ready to go. Ready. So we have x4 multiplied by x, and we have x raised to the 4th power multiplied by x, and we have x raised to the 5th power, right? And x raised to the 5th power multiplied by x, and we have x raised to the 6th power, and x, the 6th power multiplied by x, is equal to x raised to 7th power. And now I have a homework for you. I want you can make all the next equation until we can get 10 equations. Yes? Until here we have done 6 equations. Now you need to make in your homework 4 equations more, right? Okay, so let's do it now with numeric coefficients that are adjoining to the laterals. In this case, 2x. All right, let's change to hurry up, and this is good. All right, let's do it. We have -2 x, and is multiplied by x. And now remember, I say there is a rule I teach, and I have thought to my students for so long, and this is that let's make operations with signs, with numbers, and at the last with laterals. So signs, numbers, and laterals, right? This is a rule that it's very important to get an exact processing and to have the highest scores, right, in our exams. All right, so let's apply the rule. Negative by the positive that is not here, but we know that it is there, and because other way everything will disappear. So negative by the positive, we will write it by didactic goals, but we don't know. We know that we don't write it, right? Negative by positive, we have negative. And now we'll continue with numbers. 2 by 1, that again is right here, but we don't write it. 2 by 1 is 2. And now x by x, and we know that because we have studied the last exercise before this, and we -2 square x, and -2 square x multiplied by x is equal to negative by positive, negative. Numbers now, 2 by 1, that we know that is here, but we don't write to remember. 2 by 1, 2. And now laterals, in this case the lateral square x by the lateral x, and we have x cubic or x raised to the third power anyway. So now in our third equation we will have -2x cubic multiplied by x, and we're turning faster, and now we have negative by positive, negative 2 by 1, 2, and x cubic by x, we have x raised to the fourth power, right? Now please go ahead. Please, in your homework, I require you for my students in the next class. Please, you can show me the next equations, right? Okay. This is everything. So congratulations. You have done a good work, and we are seeing you. We see you in the next class. All right? God bless you and have an excellent day.